Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Rodney's How to Grow a Strong Mindset series. This is episode 2 of the series. This morning episode is called Discipline Before Confident. Let me say it again. Discipline before confident. Confidence is not built by word. It is built by keeping promise to yourself. Let me rephrase that again. Confidence is not built by words. It is built by keeping promise to yourself. This is the core message of discipline before confidence. Discipline creates evidence. Evidence create confidence. Now, guys, listen to that. Discipline creates evidence. Evidence creates this confidence. I mean confidence. Evidence create confidence. Waiting to feel ready is a delay tactics. Discipline moves without permission. Guys, let me say that again. Waiting to feel ready is a delay tactics. Discipline moves without permission. This is the teaching point. Daily structure build internal authority. Motivation fades. Discipline remains. Self-respect grow from consistency. And guys, this is my closing. Do what you said you would do. That is how confident is earned. Guys, do what you said you would do. That is how confidence is earned. Guys, this morning episode, Discipline Before Confidence. What am I saying to you is, have self-discipline and you will grow a strong mindset. Don't say you're going to do something and don't do it. Do what you said you would do. That is how confidence is earned, and that is how you're going to build, grow a strong mindset. Guys, when I say grow a strong mindset, I'm saying to you, never give up. Keep fighting, keep pushing, and don't say you're going to do something and don't do it. Have a wonderful day. This is the second episode of How to Grow a Strong Mindset by Rodney. Have a beautiful day. I'm out. Bye-bye.